am not the biggest fan of chocolate, but today's recipe is absolutely delicious, even for the biggest chocolate haters. Today we are making mini chocolate rum cakes. My mom makes this for my family and we all go crazy. We can't get enough of it, so now it's time to pass the torch on from my family to yours. So we're gonna get started by greasing our pans. I like to take a little bit of oil and flour, so I get a paper towel, I dip it in the oil, and then you just rub it in the pan. Just rub it real good. Make sure it gets every single crevice. After you've oiled all your pans, you're gonna add a little bit of flour to each one. And then just swirl it around. You might wanna do this over a sink. After you've greased your little pans, go ahead and move them out the way, and now we're gonna start on our cake batter. So when you're baking cake, you always wanna start out with your dry ingredients. And this cake, I'm gonna be honest, clearly.
Is that box cake?
There is no problem with using box cake for your recipes. It's like a cheat code. They made it for you, you make it homemade. But you wanna always add your dry ingredients first in order to make the best cake. And then we have some jello pudding, some chocolate fudge pudding. This is where it gets that rich chocolate flavor from, but also super, super moist texture. Amazingness. I was gonna try to do this with my hands, but I'm not trying to make a mess like I just did. Okay. Now for our liquid ingredients, I use just one measuring cup and add everything to it because math. But if you want to waste dishes, by all means do you. I just am not, because I do not like washing dishes. So we're gonna add 1 cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and then 1/4 cup of vodka. This kind of looks gross. And then we're just gonna fill it up to the 2 cups with Kahlua. And we have our eggs. Just gonna add all of those in. Double check for any shells. We're good. No shells, and it's better. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The liquid concoction. To mix, you want to mix it on low for 1 minute, and then after that minute, you're going to up the speed to like a medium high for about 3 minutes, or until like real combined and smooth. When your batter looks like this, you're all set to go. So now it's time to put our batter in our pans. No spill so far. I haven't spilled it yet.
I haven't spilled it.
All right, once your little Buntini Butlet pans are finished, you can add them to the oven. We're gonna put these in the oven for about 20 to 22 minutes. I've actually never used this oven, so I'm a little nervous to see how these come out. But yeah, let's see. After the cakes have cooled for about 10 minutes, you're gonna take them and flip them on parchment paper, a tray, whatever you have. Just flip them upside down. And then take it off. It's slippery. Ooh, yeah, buddy. After you have them all popped out, we're gonna let them cool completely. Now it's on to our glaze. So I have some powdered sugar and some more Kahlua. Go and pour the whole thing in there. You just whisk it. Now let's add our glaze. that moistness. Oh my gosh. I just dropped a piece. Tastes just like my mom makes it. Feels like I'm at home. I'm actually leaving to go home in like 3 hours, so we better get to cleaning.